Assalamualaikum, my name is Daniel Hafiz. Today I will present about the vehicle type approval or known as VTA from the engineering seminar topic. This is my group member which is from section 10 and 11. I will start with the introduction. VTA is the process through which a vehicle model is certified to meet certain technical and safety standards set by the relevant regulatory authorities or agencies. It ensures that vehicle meets certain standards of safety. The type of approval process typically involves various tests. Once a vehicle model successfully completes the type approval process, it is granted an approval document. Why is BTA important? Firstly, for the safe and protect, then for the car quality, for the comfort, for the eco energy, for the balance price and car, and for the durability that you can trust. Mereka in Malaysia, involvement under WT29 is at for April 2006, and there is 57 country under the WP29. Thank you.
My name is Muhammad Ahmad Zafri bin Muhammadun, and I will be presenting 5 vehicle categories that need VTA. First is the motorcycle. Next, we have passenger vehicles. Next is the goods vehicle. Next is trailer or semi-trailer. Lastly, we have off-road. Next is 2 vehicle categories that do not need VTA. First, we need to define micro mobility vehicle. It means any vehicle driven by an electrical source, an internal combustion engine, or human power, or a combination of any of those sources that has a maximum speed of 50 km per hour. The 2 vehicle categories that do not need VTA, first is the maximum speed until 50 km per hour. This consists of mopeds. Next is the medium category, which is low speed until 25 kilometers per hour. This categorization usually consists of bikes or electronic bicycles. Next is personal mobility devices. Next is the process flow for VTA application in Malaysia. It usually starts with vehicle manufacturers and then the VTA application itself, which will transfer to the GPG examination. After this, it will be transferred to the VTA committee, which it will get its certification. After this, the VTA application will be accepted and implemented by the manufacturers. Thanks.
My name is Mohammed Shafi and I will explain about how professional engineer related to VTA. So in VTA, there is an implementation of UN regulation based on vehicle category. This regulation needs to be complied with to obtain a VTA certificate. This regulation contains 4 parts which are about passive safety, active safety, general safety and environment. For example, for passive safety, engineers associate their involvement with conduct crash tests, simulation and structural analysis to ensure the vehicle design meets regulation requirements. As for general safety, engineers focus on developing energy efficient lighting system using LED technology, which consume less power and have a longer lifespan. Next, for active safety, engineers develop and integrate advanced technology into vehicle to comply with this regulation. They design and develop active safety features that enhance the vehicle safety performance. And lastly, engineers play a vital role in addressing environmental concerns and complying with UN regulations related to vehicle emission and fuel efficiency. That's all from me. Thank you.
I'm Haziq, and today I'm going to talk about the current engineering issues and practices that impact engineering professionals with regards to VTA. Okay, first of all, emissions. Emissions should be more tightened up by the government. Reducing car emissions is becoming more important as people become more environmentally conscious. Engineering experts must stay current on most recent emission laws in order to create automobiles that adhere to the set parameters. Engineering experts must also advise the government on making emission laws more strict. Then, for safety, vehicle safety must be improved. They must improve more on safety that is available now, such as enforced active safety and side airbags. GPG VTA standard must be increased so that safety can be enforced to cars in Malaysia. Then lastly, standardization. There is a need for standardization in Malaysia in order to reduce loopholes. Reduce subcategories to vehicles so engineering work is easier to do.
Summarize, Malaysia's Road Transport Department will conduct the vehicle type approval process for all vehicles sold in the country, ensuring compliance with Malaysian regulations. This process ensures safer vehicle follows Malaysian standard and ensuring safety, environmental quality, and component compatibility. Automotive standards like the marking standards allow goods made in one nation to be used and sold in another without expensive testing and certification procedures, resulting in reduced prices. VTA has also saved numerous lives by conducting safety tests with minimum requirements. Overall, automotive standards contribute to the safety, dependability, and high quality of automobiles and equipment, benefiting both consumers and producers. We have also included some relevant references related to the topic presented. That's all from us. Thank you.